Hello and welcome. Recently, ChatGPT just released and made available their advanced reasoning model. It's the O3 model. If you have ChatGPT and you can use the drop down menu, which means that you have a paid account, you can switch over to the O3 advanced reasoning model. When you use ChatGPT O3, you can write in your query. And when you write in your query, you can then click enter. And what you'll see is that the response from ChatGPT is not instantaneous. You will see that ChatGPT will state that it is reasoning and will tell you how long it reasoned. And in this particular case, what you're seeing on your screen, that there's an element that says thought for 7 seconds. And you'll be able to see the answer. Now, one of the things that you'll be able to see is that it definitely personalizes based on other information that it knows about you that you have looked for in other posts. If you want to determine how effective it is, it's a good idea that you can copy your post. You can head to the most advanced model. In this particular case, as a recording of this video, it is ChatGPT 4.0. And what we're going to do is we're going to open a new chat. We're then going to place in our cursor for a prompt. We will then click on the prompt. And what you'll notice then is that ChatGPT will start its answer almost right away. And what you'll want to do is you want to compare the data and the thoroughness from what you're getting in the regular model as opposed to what you might get in ChatGPT o3, the new model. You will definitely see a more advanced and thorough treatment of your prompt or topic using the O3 model. The O3 model will allow you to do search and do deep research also. So depending on your level, if you have queries available, you can use deep research in order to search out your topic. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.